ability. I welcome him, and on behalf of him, I welcome all the dignitaries on the dais, dignitaries on the other side of the dais, and all the dear students. I also take this opportunity to welcome his family member and more particularly Sri Kishore Kamalji Handa, who is our chairman. I welcome you and everyone sitting over here. Ladies and gentlemen, I take this opportunity to also welcome Professor Dr. Shishu of Karnavati Dental College and Member Secretary of the Trust, whose yeoman services in opening the law school is really noteworthy and worthy to be recognized. I also wholeheartedly welcome Professor Dr. Banerjee, but for whose great and notable efforts the law school would not have been launched as it has been launched today. It is my pleasure to welcome directors of our sister educational institution, all run by United World Group. They are Professor Manas Ji of School of Business, Professor Pankaj Patel of School of Design, Professor Dipti Ji from the Dental School, and Sri Gupta, our Registrar of the United World, all the institutions. I record my appreciation for the services rendered by Dr. Bhanushali, Sri Tariq Ji, Divya Ji, and all our faculty members, as well as all the faculty members and all the staff members of United World Group. I extend my very affectionate welcome to all our students and all ladies and gentlemen present in this august assembly. Ladies and gentlemen, as is known to everyone, today is the red letter day for the United World School of Law, the inauguration of which is few minutes away from now by the auspicious hands of my Lord Justice Mukhopadhyay. Foundation Day is certainly a landmark occasion to celebrate the beginning today and for the future to celebrate the past. It is to embark new initiatives as a foundation head and ideas with new innovations. A well-known say of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is worth quoting, and I quote, "We are all born with a divine fire in us. Our efforts should be to give wings to this fire." On my retirement, I thought of joining some educational institution. I have always desired to be associated with youth instead of joining to some judicial assignment of tribunal or consumer forum, etc. My inclination has always been to be a part of legal education, to creatively divert youth of today and to divert their unflagging enthusiasm and capacities of the students. It is with a view to gift our nation strong and inner-directed, law-abiding citizens, and it is for that reason I have joined the School of Law. United World School of Law has many laudable objects. We will see to it that our students are arched and buttressed from within. They inculcate every sort of energy and endurance, courage, capacity and confidence to handle any challenge which may come in their life. We will convince them that they are masters of their fate and those should not depend on anyone. They should carve out their own shape in this society where struggles are a routine. I have great faith in youth, the tomorrow of our country. The youth of the day is surely as sincere, as committed, as earnest as their predecessors were. With such faith, our law school shall teach the student wisdom and not trade, character and not technicalities. We will teach them use of ideas, concepts of law and the knowledge imparted for the betterment of humankind as a whole, for which we shall strive very, very hard to develop overall personality of each of the students who have joined United World School of Law. Ladies and gentlemen, it is not out of place to record that United World School of Law is a unique institution in many, many ways. It is first of its kind school of law for integrated 5 years law course affiliated to Gujarat University. It is first of its kind law school in the nation, offering the student stream of their choice. If one wishes to be a judge, then one may select the career of judiciary, and that the education which would be imparted to such students would be keeping in mind that an ideal judicial officer is to be gifted by this school of law to the nation. Ladies and gentlemen, we will try very hard to see to it that every student of this school become very special in every fashion of his life. It is also unique to provide for 20 weeks of internship to law students, which is also not usual, ladies and gentlemen. Such internship is to be at NGO, several organizations and courts of all the level. Our emphasis shall certainly be on legal education. Legal education is, very humbly putting, is an issue being faced by many schools. It's very difficult to get clinical educator. Here we shall emphasize on clinical education. We are to train our students on soft skills, personality development. We are also going to impart education on foreign language as our very special feature. At the end, I congratulate all the students and once more welcome them all to this United World School of Law. Ladies and gentlemen, I pray that Almighty may shower all kindness and blessing upon all of us, and particularly upon our dear students in every phase of their life when they are to enter the legal fraternity today. My sincere thanks to all of you. I am much beholden to the Lordship on the dais. I am sure and very happy to record that their presence is extremely encouraging, and it has become, in fact, the right beginning of the great day of today. Ladies and gentlemen, with all humility at my command, I offer my very respectful welcome to all the dignitaries on the dais, and let us welcome them with big hands. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you very much, Officer Dr. Jyotsna Vidyarthi, for your welcome address and giving brief account about the laudable objects of United World School of Law. Thank you very much. Friends, the great Greek thinker Cicero has said, law is the highest reason implanted in nature. Nature smiles in flowers. Flowers are nature's jewels. We would like to felicitate our distinguished dignitaries by offering nature's jewels and memento. First of all, may I request Director, United World School of Law, Professor Dr. Jyotsna Vidyarthi, to offer a bouquet to Judge, Supreme Court of India, Honorable Mr. Justice S. J. Mukhopadhyay. I will request Member Secretary, United World EduTech Foundation, Dr. Deepak Shishu, to offer a bouquet to former Judge, Supreme Court of India, Honorable Mr. Justice C.K. Thakkar.